What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning back to the channel. Today is Sunday. So what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. I'm kind of rushing a little bit. I just got well, there he is. I just got a message on an offer up actually a few minutes ago. This item that I was watching, it's a person down in Livingston had posted a complete air ride suspension setup for a 99 to 06 Silverado. You know, it was, I think it was like around 500, 450. I don't remember what he was asking for it, but it's you know, I just looked at the picture real quick. I said it's a lot of parts I could use, so I just added it to my watch list, and I got a message earlier that he dropped the price. So I messaged him. We're meeting halfway in Turlock. I'm not expecting this kit to be in great shape. What I am expecting is to get the parts that I saw originally that interested me, which were a lot of the brackets, I guess, mostly stuff that to me I could technically build, but it would save me a lot of time if I can buy them cheap, you know. So this guy is selling it cheap, so he's asking $250 for the setup. It's got the bags and everything. He said one bag is not good, but you know, I'm fine with that. I'm gonna check out the condition of the rest of the three. However, you know, it's through talking to people, it's always said if you're gonna start an air ride setup, it is best to always start with new, because you know what it's like tires, you know, on a car or in a truck. Let me see where he's texting me. So I'm headed down there, man. I'm gonna pick those things up, and I want to see what I could work with, what I could use. I brought my truck. I didn't use it for the video I did, the last video I did, because I had some stuff loaded in the back and the truck was filthy, so I didn't want to take it out to my homeboy's house and looking like crap. It's still dirty. I haven't washed it. Right now I just rinsed it really quick, get some of that dust off, since it just sits there for weeks and weeks. So I decided to take it, that way I could see if I could match some parts, you know. I'm gonna see about the front parts matching the bolt holes, the back matching bolt holes, and see what really I could use, and maybe the rest of the stuff I could possibly just you know, flip it. They look like they need either a paint job or a powder coat, so you know, I'll do some of the small parts at home. If I needed to outsource it, then I'll outsource it. But yeah, I'm gonna take a quick little drive, and I'll tune you guys back in a second. All right, guys, so we made it to Lander. Chevron's just up the street, so we'll check out this kit. Hopefully we get a great deal, not a good deal. I'm hoping that a lot of the stuff that I didn't really catch on the picture is there. It's usually how OfferUp works, though. You know, you kind of know what you're getting into. Pictures aren't always the greatest, so don't expect something to be 100% perfect. Black Ram right here. set?
Are you want to put there?
Yeah.
Okay, we got something to block.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Let me move over that way because I gotta talk to this guy real quick.
Okay.
Did you already have it swept here?
No, I am sweeping.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. What's up, man? Mario.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. So this is it, huh?
Yeah. I had a GMC single cab.
GMC single cab.
Yeah, they've been just sitting there for like about 4 months already.
Okay.
So if you probably need, I had it well done, so I didn't have the screws.
Right. Oh no, the screws I figured there was no question.
The new bolts, I took them off.
Let's see how these
This
work.
one came out pretty good.
Yeah, just the bolts and stuff, huh? Man, dude, I'll be honest with you. I was not expecting like this. This is a little bit more custom than I was thinking. I was thinking it's all going to be straight rods. No, I haven't.
I heard that they were I heard that they were like one of the best brands on airbags.
Oh, so here's the piece.
I might put like 1,050.
Wow. Nah, bro, I
got some.
Yeah, I thought about it on the way here. I was like, you know what, let me just grab some stuff and just hand them out if you know, I wasn't sure if you were gonna come by yourself or with some homeboys. But if anything, if I'm in the area, bro, I'll bring some to you for sure. And then we'll keep in touch, man. All right, have a good one, bro. Thanks, man. All right, guys, so there was, deal is done. Dude is a straight up dude, badass guy. Does a lot of that stuff himself. All right, guys, so that kit is in the back of the truck. Super excited to have gotten that. I think the fact that I jumped on that got me that great deal. I know that a lot of people don't realize how fast you got to act on some of those offers on OfferUp or Craigslist. Either way, I'm at my buddy Danny's house right now. We're gonna probably do a little bit of work on his truck, his C10. He does have a YouTube channel. I'll put the link down below, or I'll put his Instagram right now down here, C10 Danny. So you guys can check out his build. Go check out his YouTube videos. He's got a lot of information on the bag scene, especially on the C10. That's what he's building. And we're gonna be doing some collaboration videos throughout the process of both of our builds. So, you know, you guys stay tuned for that. And let's go check out what we're gonna be doing today. All right, guys, so the plan for today is, he just kind of went over with me real lightly. You want to put he's got the shock mount already down there tacked in place. Down here too, gonna put the upper shock mounts and then set up the shocks straight down there and there. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna sand this whole area down right here, kind of like from the halfway down to the halfway up here on both sides. That's where we're gonna weld in the little tabs for the shocks. did a pretty good job. So now it's just a matter of marking them in place, tacking them in place, and then welding them in place.
Okay, perfect. Good?
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Oh, hell yeah, that's clean as fuck.
I'm not used to these curves rolling forward. What do you guys think? I still got it. A little rusty. Haven't welded in a while with a good welder. the last that I've been messing with is my Harbor Freight welder, but it's not anything close to having a good welder. But he gets the job done. Without me holding it, so you can I don't know, guys. I can't wait to see this truck on the streets cruising. Nice build. So he just released the rear axle, faced it down, so this could angle at a better welding angle, and that's perfect. Really. So just gonna remove the tank real quick so it doesn't get any sparks on it, and happy welding.
Okay, give me some tips. How can I get a clean ass weld like that?
You just start at a puddle, and then just imagine you're a robot and,
Okay.
go the exact same way over and over and over at a very nice pace.
Do like ease, or you just push and pull?
It depends. I don't push and pull on a vertical one like that. I do more of a sway.
Okay.
But it's a very light sway.
Yeah.
You know, because on the vertical one, if you go wide, I feel like you get drips.
Yeah.
You know, so you have to keep it very, very tight and kind of consistent. Yo te recomiendo, if you don't have a lot of experience, grab some fucking scrap metal like this and weld it at a V, like at a corner, esquinita esquinita, to make a 90-degree angle, and then just practice your vertical welds. You get used to it hella quick.
Okay, I'll do that.
Can't say I was much help, but
Oh, hell yeah.
the shocks are pretty much done, I guess.
I just gotta make a Home Depot run real quick. Get the hardware. Let me go get my car.
Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we came down to the Home Depot real quick. Just a few minutes from his house. Grabbed some bolts for those shocks. A lot of people are always tripping about getting the hardware for your stuff. Honestly, the Home Depot, they have a little bit of everything. Not the greatest of assortments, obviously. If you go to certain places like an air ride suspension area, store, they have all the specific bolts that you need. But the one thing I don't like from here is that I can't find grade 8 stuff, bro. That's really my biggest thing.
Yeah.
I mean, they have a grade 8 section. What's up with that, Home Depot? I don't get it. How come you don't have grade 8? I think this is the area that has grade 8 stuff. Anyways, you guys need to step up your bolt game. Alright, so let's grab some stuff and then we'll head back. Here it is, guys. Something pretty easy. Just got to make sure you get the right geometry on both sides to make them even. And obviously you got to look at it and make sure that it looks even. You know, you don't want to have one shock straight and the other one at a, 10-degree angle, because that'll definitely be noticeable.
Yeah, I'm actually very happy with how this turned out. The biggest thing that I wanted when doing my shocks was that I wanted them to be as straight up and down as possible.
Okay.
Because then you get the most shock, pues.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was perfect. These shock mounts only costed me $25.
Wow.
Yeah, CNC cut. Very happy with how.
As far as is drop on the frame, how much lower will it go? Is that pretty much already sitting on the ground?
Yep, body's on the ground. Yeah, body's on the ground. So the frame does have some clearance. That way, if I'm on like a freeway or whatever, like any potholes or anything, the frame has about 2 inches of clearance under the body. But this is the lowest it'll ever be. Yeah, that's
cool. The only reason why I was asking was because, say for instance, if the frame was to go lower, I was gonna say it's a good thing that those mounts are like perfect size, because I'm looking straight down the center.
Yeah.
If the axle for whatever reason went up to the tube or to the frame, you'd have like a minuscule gap between the shock and the axle.
Yeah.
So right there, I mean, they got 1.5 inches worth of space, so that's perfect.
So yeah, it's perfect. I mean, and then if I ever wanted to run a bigger wheel, I can.
Right.
So I'm happy as fuck with how these turned out. These look good. Yeah, I can run like a 24-inch wheel. I think that's the biggest I can go with the body drop, 24. So,
Okay.
and I'll still have plenty of clearance. So if I'm going over a speed bump or
Mhm.
whatever, and for whatever reason the axle needs to tuck into the
Tuck
body,
in through,
it can.
right.
Yeah, and I don't need any like rubber mounts or
Right,
bump
bump
stops or
stops.
anything like that. Yeah,
Sweet.
yeah. So it's looking good, man. Wow, I'm excited.
All right, guys. So we put the bed back on. Like I said, all we got to do was just mount the shocks. But they look clean where they're at. Now the next project is going to be figuring out basically like a bed, some braces for the whole bed. So he kind of already talked a little bit about what he's going to be doing, and then also mounting on all four corners something strong for the bed to be held up decently, you know, and not have to worry about any warping. So yeah, I hope I come out here a little bit more and share some more of his projects with you guys. Again, C10 Danny. That's your YouTube also, huh?
Yeah. If you guys could check me out on YouTube as well, I'm under C10 Danny. I have a little bit of videos on my progress on the truck, something explaining air suspension, a couple more things to come. But yeah, for sure, if you guys could check me out on YouTube, C10 Danny. And honestly, just keep supporting the videos. We're gonna keep getting together, keep on brainstorming, seeing how we can kind of get this thing together. But it's looking like the final stretch. We got some ideas that we're gonna do for the truck bed, and then after that, the frame and the bed will just about be done.
Sweet. Yeah. I'll have a link on my description for his channel. I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to do that. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Again, also I'll be doing some updates on what I got going on with my truck. I'm gonna be trying to get that rack that I have on my previous videos done. Once that is done and out of my way, I'll probably just lay the truck in my driveway and start hacking away at it and start doing some, you know, brainstorming also on doing something like his setup, and hopefully doing some good videos with him, as well as Luis and a couple other people that I have in mind. But as of now, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.